Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on direct messages on TikTok 2025 guide. So for this one, let me just open up my application of TikTok. And right now, let me just go back on the landing page to take you there, of course, step by step. Now, three dots right there on the upper line, or upper right corner, three lines rather, and click on the settings and privacy option. In here, look for the one they call privacy. Alright? Now, once you're in here, just scroll down just a little bit and look for the one they call direct messages. Once you open it up, you're gonna see a lot of status here. So you have safe mode. So safe mode messages that may be from unsafe sources will appear in filtered requests until you reply to them. You won't be notified of new filter requests. Basically, I suggest turn this on, and then under here, you have your read status. Basically, if you're talking to someone, they know if you have seen their messages. Filtered keywords right here gives you to not receive any keywords under this settings. So recent messages with specific keywords on your chats will be hidden unless you approve them. That is actually really good. Permission settings right here gives you the permissions who can contact you, maybe friends, close friends, or no one at all. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.